Right guys, here we go. Digwell's on the road. I'm at my daughter's house with my son Kyle and his daughter Sky. Kyle is the father of the gremlins, which you've seen quite a lot. And what we're doing today, we're going to taste the 4 different pickled onions that I made a while back. So let's go back a bit, let's journey back a bit. Okay then guys, well you've seen me salt and sugar the shallots before, so I'm not going to show you that again. But this is an experiment. Now I've often wondered about this, but I've never really got around to doing it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make 4 small jars of pickled shallots, but each with a different vinegar. And the vinegars I used are white wine vinegar, malt vinegar, distilled malt vinegar, which I just called distilled vinegar, and apple cider vinegar. And the way I worked out how much to put in each jar is like this. I packed a jar with shallots, topped it up with water, tipped the water into a jug and measured it, so that's the amount of vinegar I needed for each jar, plus about 50 ml spillage. And then I used 1/5 of that amount in sugar. So I packed the shallots back into the jar, put the vinegar, sugar and 1 teaspoon of pickling spice into a pan, boiled it, then poured it into the shallots and sealed the jars. So Sky's going to open the jars up for us one at a time, A, B, C and D. I haven't got a clue what they are. I don't know what they are either because I put the labels on straight away on the front. Sky's going to cut them up, give myself and Kyle half an onion each, and we're going to score them. And what I suggest we do, if you score the first one, whatever number you want, say 7,
okay,
and then you compare the rest to it.
Yeah, of course.
Right? Yeah. So honest opinions then.
Are you not just going to guess what type of?
No, they're all the same liquid. No, they're all the same onion with the same spices, but they've got different vinegars in, so they're 4 different vinegars. So what we're trying to do is see which vinegar makes the best onion. So the flavours aren't going to cloud it.
Okay.
So fire away then, Sky.
Is that A or D?
That's A. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, there we go.
Here. Nice little cups.
Why is it not going? There you go, there's your half.
Right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right then. So A. We've all got a good crunch.
Certainly has.
Yeah. Well, I buy those. Right, I'm going to do what I said. I'm going to give that a 7 just to see what it's like, just to give the next one better or worse. Right then, Sky, you going to open this one?
Very nice.
And what we'll do afterwards, we'll reveal what they all are, see?
I don't want to get my nail.
If you stand it
Quite
on
an
its,
aftertaste.
if you stand it on its end like that, you can cut down through the stalk then.
It's like
That's it.
That one seemed to be softer, didn't it?
Yeah, we should cut it right, that's fine.
yeah, I cut it well.
Right then. Oh, nice colour. I can hear the crunch from here. Oh, that is back in my throat, that.
Less subtle than the first one, I would say.
It's crunchier, but it's not as,
Sharp?
no,
No.
it's not as pickled oniony. So I'm going to take that down a point.
Same.
Let's clear my palate.
Oh my god.
Muscles, Sky.
You can call me Grampy if you want. God. Ooh.
I can't get that one out.
Let's put those out. Let's see what you're doing. Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll get Layla to come and try one in a minute.
This one smells vinegary.
I'm trying them after.
Cool.
Why?
Yeah. You say what you think first, because I think
That's probably an 8 or a 9 compared to my score.
I think that's sweeter.
Sweeter, yeah, but it's just as
Yeah.
good as a sour, which
Yeah.
was the first one.
Yep.
So,
Yeah, I'm liking those.
yeah, nice.
Go on then.
Alright, last one.
Oh, a big one.
I can't pick it up.
I'll have to get a proper pickled onion fork.
Oh.
Use your fingers, oh Mara.
Nails, in fact.
Yeah, I'm using my fingers, that's nasty.
There you go. Cute.
Last one.
The pickled onion connoisseurs. That, I think that's almost the same as the first one.
Pretty much.
Yeah, I'm going to give that the same score. Right. So if you'd like to reveal the label, Sky, what I've done, I put a little pull-off strip there. So if you can find A for us. Oh, let's see what we all thought was best first. Hang on. So you've got A and... Oh, that's right.
A, B, and C are just basically.
Oh, you've got A, B, and C are good.
No, A, C, and D. Sorry. The best one was probably
C.
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 But only for sweetness.
C is my
For
favourite. So
sweetness,
I've got S. I've got C as first, then A and D. So much the same as you. So B is rubbish then. Right. So let's have a look at A then, Sky. See what it is.
There we go.
It pulls right off. It's stuck the other side as well.
White wine vinegar.
White wine vinegar, A.
And mine came second.
Yeah, so that was second on mine as well. So I'll put him there for second.
Was it now?
B, that's B, yeah.
Malted vinegar.
Yeah, malted vinegar.
And that was last on mine.
B. Now that is your brown vinegar. All the rest are white vinegars. So where we're doing that's second, so I'll put fourth over here. C then, which came
First on mine.
first on mine as well. So yeah.
We got apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar. There you are. The cider's the clue.
That's the one.
Yeah. So that's first.
Right,
That's over there, and that makes D third.
which is distilled vinegar.
Just ordinary. See, that is the brown vinegar with the brown taken out of it.
So just
So
normal.
yeah, so that's probably why it comes third.
Yep, one above the
So-
malt.
Apple cider, white, distilled, and malt. Brilliant. Well, there's Kyle's sheet on the left and mine on the right. Funny how we both ranked them the same. Maybe it's a family thing. We got the same taste buds. Anyway, here's how they finished. Apple cider at the top, then white wine, then distilled, and then malted. So I think in future I will be using apple cider vinegar for most of my pickles, or at least most of my pickled shallots, pickled onions, and that sort of thing, pickled whole veg sort of thing. Maybe use the distilled one and the malt one in chutneys? Right, so what we're going to do now, as a bonus for taking part, grab one of those, right?
Okay.
These are, let's clear the decks, hang on. Sweet balsamic pickled vinegar, sweet balsamic pickled shallots.
Ooh.
Why am I grabbing one of these?
Yeah, just grab one of those. Just pick it out, it'll be
I
alright.
don't want to get my fingers in the juice.
Well, you're going to eat one in a minute, aren't you?
Yeah, but it's contaminated. Right, I'm just going to cut it this way because there's not much of a stem to cut through. Ooh. There we go. Oh, that smells.
And this isn't in the competition, this isn't in the trial, this is just a different one.
Just a bonus.
Got the crunch. You like these, Layla?
No.
Layla's watching from the side, laughing her head off, by the way. So they're sweet, and they've got a little bit of oil in them. Well, thanks very much.
I was expecting chili.
No, I haven't done any really hot ones this year. I'm still reading from last year.
Very
And the
good.
other daughter's made an appearance now as well. Give us a hello, Carla. Oh, camera shy, my family. Well, there we are then, guys. So in future, I will be doing apple cider vinegar. take care. Catch you on the next video.
Bye
That's
for
it.
now.
Finished. Don't say to
I tried to wait. There we go.
We will try. Which one you want to try then, Sky?
Try the best and
C,
the
I
worst.
suppose.
Try the best and the worst.
Can you press the off button on the top?